Are you ready for the future of smartphones? The Galaxy S25 is about to take over. The S25 series is rumored to pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, making it a powerhouse in your pocket. And that's not all. We're talking major camera upgrades, so your photos are about to look stunning. Plus, sleek design changes that are both stylish and functional. Keep your eyes peeled, this one's going to be epic. Hey everyone! You won't believe this. There are rumors about the new OnePlus 13R phone, and they look awesome. The leaked pictures show a really cool phone with a screen that goes all the way to the edges and amazing new colors. And guess what? It might even have a special camera lens for taking really far away pictures. So if you love taking pictures with your phone, get ready for something special. People are saying the OnePlus 13R might come out in India first and then to the rest of the world later. They think it might come out in March, so get ready. This phone is going to be incredible. Don't forget to like this video if you're excited about the new phone, and I'll keep you updated with more information soon. See you in the next video. Stop what you're doing! You need to hear this iPhone update. Rumor has it the next iPhone SE might actually be called the iPhone 16e. Yeah, you heard that right. 16e. Now brace yourselves. There's talk of a price bump too. Not exactly what we wanted after holiday splurging, huh? So, when can we expect this shiny new toy? Speculations point to a release date sometime later this year. But hey, it's Apple. They love keeping us on our toes. Drop a comment with your thoughts. Excited for the iPhone 16e, or are you dreading that price hike? Hit subscribe for more updates, and don't forget to smash that like button. Catch you in the next one, tech lovers.